In this video, we'll see how we can use Shopify for free for practice or development store. Like here, I can use Shopify for lifetime for free, but I can't make my website live. But I can use for practice or use for development purposes. Like till my website is not developed, there will be no charge. But when you might make it live, it will be charged. We'll see how we can do that. For that, for that we need to go to Shopify website. Now just don't click on start free trial, scroll down, go to bottom, and there you will find partners option. Click on it. Now here, join an existing Shopify partner team, become a partner. We want to become a partner. Here, select the email ID. Okay, you need to fill all the detail. Here, create and set up a new partner organization. Just click on it. Build a new store for Shopify for clients, build app, build a theme, others. So you can use the Shopify for practice. Just select it or you can select other. Now fill detail. Here in business title, business name, no need to worry, you can fill anything as of now, there will be no issue. Okay, I will add testing account. Here, creating your partner organization. Now here, your email need to verified. Now go on stores. Here, I will verify it. Email. Now here, your email is verified. Building a dashboard. Now you can easily go on store and click any type of multiple store. So I will click on create a development store. Here, create store for client or create store for test and build purpose. Store name you can set here, like you can set this is a URL that will get. So you can set now development store be created, and then you can use that store for development purpose or testing purpose. Here, this is my development store. I need to now I can set up anything here in plan. You get custom plan. There is no charge. It is absolutely free. I can use it. If you want to learn Shopify, if you want to do some custom work, you can do that here for free. So that's all you can easily use Shopify for free lifetime. Okay, lifetime for free. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.